Sustainable investing has changed quite significantly over the last several years. What used to be just simply excluding particular sectors or stocks from your portfolio has evolved into much more sophisticated practices, including positive screening, so really looking for those good companies as examples to invest in. We might actively engage with the management significantly, which is reaping rewards now in terms of how companies are managed from a sustainability perspective. There's the evolution of more impactful investments or some sustainability themed funds. So there's plenty of different ways you can invest your money sustainably, whereas historically it was just about not investing in the bad companies. Sustainable investing has increased so significantly over the last few years that it's bound to bring some problems and issues along with it. The one that keeps me awake the most at night is the prospect of greenwashing, where perhaps an asset owner or an asset manager or a corporate really starts to make up claims about their ESG credibility that really aren't backed up in fact. That really worries me, because as soon as the underlying investor discovers this sort of thing going on, they may lose faith in the whole investment style, if you like. So we've just closed 2019, and it's a very significant period actually, because now in the 5 years up to the end of 2019, actually the sustainable indices, so perhaps the Dow Jones Sustainability Index or the MSCI ESG leaders, have actually outperformed their non-ESG indices, which is really great. The first question I'm always asked on my journeys when I talk about this is, are you giving up returns if you manage money in this way? And actually I can very, very clearly point now to the evidence that suggests no, actually this is alpha enhancing rather than detracting. So Allianz Global Investors is an active manager, and I strongly believe that's the way to run sustainable investments. Of course, if you want to just match a benchmark, then clearly passive is the way for you. But if you want to actively outperform these benchmarks, clearly that's one element of the challenge. But actually, by careful stock selection and screening of companies from their environmental, social and governance perspective, you can add significant societal alpha. So you can have a carbon footprint less than the index quite significantly, or water intensity less than the index. And I think that more and more is what our clients want to see.
Allianz Global Investors.